Ohemaa Woyeje obia nipa nyina beka NPP fo asam so aba beka bi wo beka large mamudi Bawumia asem on a wanim se kwaku aberewa ho se ohia ni fufuo so nam no se sei
wo sa oba wi afro ho Ohemaa Woyeje wi ma pe wa chese wugimi a metu mani asiusu continuously for 1 year kwasia ba wo fin media isu nyina wo na wo oba wo etan eno obi anim nyese me na meka
enti ene ye Friday ye weekend si no se me hwe booking list ni mu a UTV for ahande baton no to Angel TV se jamu no se Ohemaa Woyeje of Angel TV abusia obaje baton de kura oba besia obaje baton no every UTV Agya Kwabena any akosi asapon UTV waje from nyinansem ana empress gift UTV kese waje baton no from nyinansem Ohemaa Woyeje agwakasa amana no akopa agwakasa etia Bawumia ama media no so o ma boni minimum aba o mode bo Agya Kwabena no o ma masa ba kro na so twede chimpre ye beka wanso na face no Julius Debra chief of staff obeka nsi bo kiremu se 24-hour economy ashase o Ghana ha ama Ghana bo say ona bona entate wo hini mu fie ho ala se entate wo kro bo aha Penyah block media best wa say dey mo over like video no that my subscribe button so back the notification icon for the just update so ba kire wa adwe dia mame e go comment section me so ba so no wa share video mo for anya bi ahwe it let's start with Julius Debra na dey say boja ye ne da koso Ohemaa Woyeje so edunim ye ko for election mu no na NDC for omo campaign message reset title resetting Ghana agenda now to for subtopic subheading 24-hour economy na yet over we any 24-hour economy be and say abeda ni slogan what I say and this one is 24-hour economy obi abedidi na say abeda ni slogan later and it say 24-hour economy in fact the journey no easy very difficult it will be difficult but this be me and later that is so we hear some $1 billion be an amount of I think about $5 billion be just to launch the 24-hour economy program. And in some way made Jumu anyone who say go share wa Accra na economy no omo call launch 24-hour economy policy no.
And we also have the Vice President join us, Her Excellency Professor Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman, to complete the team that unveil the logo. There we go. All right, here we go. And 3, 2, 1, and there you go. That's our 24-hour logo launched today on the 2nd of July, 2025, to the glory of God. Thank you so much. Our dignitaries will take their seats. Just to remind you that this 24-hour plus program aims to build a modern and self-reliant and resilient economy, one that is driven by production, is globally competitive, and is anchored in decent jobs. It's designed to reduce our dependence on imports, expand local industry, and ensure that nobody is left behind. Beyond optimizing the use of all our resources, it's about building an economy that works.
But let me be clear here. The 24H plus agenda is not simply about extending working hours. It is about unleashing productivity, expanding opportunity, accelerating exports through well-structured, multi-sectoral, and inclusive interventions. And so we would have national consultation and co-design. And over the past 6 months, the 24-hour plus secretariat under the presidential advisor, Mr. Guzitano, and his team, has undertaken an extensive national engagement process. They've listened to entrepreneurs, both large and small, both formal and informal. They've listened to organized labor, cooperatives, farmers, and traders. They've listened to artists, technologists, traditional rulers, and religious bodies. They've consulted with diaspora groups, development agencies, investors, and infrastructure experts. They've talked to youth and women's organizations, scientists, and educational institutions. Alongside the private sector, the Secretariat has worked with government ministries, departments, and agencies to align regulatory, fiscal, and institutional frameworks to the program.
Emom launch ne npen bi ekas oh police we dey no ano no ya launch he nim no ano just enipa no makobo mu ho ano akọ launch. After that no bibia enkoso ye hu hwe. And from there no yente hwe. Yente 24-hour economy no popia bia. But according to Julius Debra, our chief of staff, o kire mu say oh 24-hour economy no ana mugusu hwe. There be o oni bia bia o. I just say I started what Ghana had just ye hu ya na I started I shall see adwuma.
Well, it started already, and let me explain why I say it started already. After all, what is the 24-hour economy about? What it's all about is that increase your productivity. And so if you have a facility that you're doing only 8 hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., the president and the government is encouraging you to explore the possibility of doing more hours. Now, as a government, we are arranging to give some incentives and some support to companies who boldly say, we don't want to do only one shift, we want to do 2 or 3 shifts. Then they can look at electricity tariffs, look at other incentives to encourage them to do. When this starts, naturally, if your original production line takes about 50 people, automatically it's going to increase to 100 or 150 based on the number of shifts you are going to be.
Now, I don't know people say, you know, Sabra, now we through. 12-hour economy no and only nipa mo chechi na say ya hwe ofoforo kwa ya 24-hour economy in 24-hour arrest and na say ya hwe ofoforo kwa
really offer esro offer Julius Debra for some popular sign of full account in the data 100 offer you move no respect your man no so pa me say me who picture bia na me hu a me ni aje cause I respect you a lot. The was na me do na makoma sonfo of I sro the me country of 24-hour economy ye nim se moboa moye Ghana for one na ye nim why ye nim se moboa it me can say 24 hours no a 24-hour economy no it has started already started we here of I sro of Julius Debra Ghana no ye na ye boom ye do so papa me mo so bi kure cassette ya me hwe me pan cassette ya so of I sro there do chief of staff there the chief of staff Mr. me for camera Mrs. so e ma me twetwe twantro bi e be masabi Ghana fo bi e nya okasetia na ho be ni pe cause we are we say 24-hour economy bia started wo Ghana ha ade a ward you say 24-hour economy started bia no e ade a wo dada nam na mo buy na man started e eti mo 24-hour economy na mo share Ghana fo bo no bia started wo ha enkukon ketingeti bia mai abobo ya ne ayi polytank bia mai Wellington boot bia mai etimo de mo ba ne de munye bibi papa bia ade ba ko pa mo di bri ni pe ni su kakra ye se obi ba JK ma dollar ni dwane ya mo makwo chi na ba etire kakra bi enu nko ane asa nwande bi a mo ye alobi ya ka nyina mo nye hwede mo ya ne ni pa na mo chi mo gu mo a o mo ye so mo chi mo ankasa na mo nche wo mo hwede si we ye friend say awaya so west of mo say abai ye friend say by election ye si ya the people that send it to say tai chi who are block come say send it up to now ye nche no e so bi ko kasa 1 2 ani akofa no ye hu ran kakra but mo mu din semu na nkasa no ya sa rafu so wan rafu you na mo nche no up to now into offer Julius Mr.
Sure. Ghana for anuanom TikTok for nanse ne ese yen kasa ba o mama ni pa bo fudodo NDC for munya do mo ye no enti yam pipi for kura no a yeso ye nipa o se na musi diga ayi akufu ado atem o Ghana ha e de ne ye mo ha Kevin Taylor kwade no anka Kevin Taylor kan kwasi asem akufu ado bo ye oba tanti no ene ema mienu amache omudi ashoma omo kasa wo TikTok ntino ni nyina amache wo mo NDC fo Ghana no anyam nko amudi awo by we ase bibia timisi mu fi se bibi timisi mo ba ye niema bi ama bibia asi ba ye kan mo se samadwene na munya se we ya amache no Rollins kura wo de NDC ba no wonwui Rollins wonwui wanu ne yire kura de na mo de ye no Rollins yire ne ma no e de na mo de ye wo mo de mo pe e na mo de ye wo mo ha Shatawale nya mo hwe. Shatawale de no aye mo ka keke. Mo amu yusu ka ewo ayi mu koyi mu ka tamaha bo ho na. Anya fili na mu yi no. Ha? Shatawale wano no waji ani wabonyo papa miesu enyansa. Makwache no. Adenti na mo yesa. We ya yache no, we ya yache no. Mo amudidi Akufuado a obisi Akufuado nyame nkum Akufuado ma wo mo no wo se wo man no. Na mo de mo ba mo yi o man ni ye. O man de na mo ye no. Ha? Yate Ghana mo me yankasa. Ana mo sole a entemhunu sa na mudi. Aya mo dia mo nkunkum ya nyina na mo fa o man no na mudi. Sa mo de mu nwu a. Adai. Mumfa o man no na mumfa. Adai. Ubedi abanya me hu se wo ye bibi ye. Akufuado ba school feeding, we free education. And this bakobi. We bakobi. Ni nyina munfia na mo haya adwen. Mo me yankasa. Adai. Sawo yan pipini a wo ya aboa. Mabedi o man ti mu ye dia mo pe. Mo se samadwene emanyame mo amo. Mate, musu nyansa. Ye ka kire mo no.
Ghana for. Na mo na muti krom ha na mo se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama onya adwuma bia o krom ha no. Uni madwuma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. O we the elections 8 months ni. Uni madwuma wa ye. Wa gye atuma papa. Na Ghana for e di ho dance ye. Me be bo video bi a kire omo di His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ho dance se adwuma wa bo no. Eja adwuma ketwa no. Munyina sudi na mo hwe video yi. Ye wi a ye ho no. Ye be kan to aso.
Mama bae. Why adwuma pa o? Mama. 8 months ni or 9 months why adwuma pa. Because me president be 9 months. Watching me pass it down in Ghana history. 9 months ni o bae o campaign message back ko kra wontimi in deliver. And o cha match we fi so bae ya ye swa in. Achienkwa makochi we ya chi we adwuma mama bae 9 months no. Why ye bibi fofra obi me kan sebe apart from a chair and say or chair pa the ma small guys. Adiacha wachi we adiacha yakwachi we onipa also the 24-hour economy eba 9 months na eba where dodge obeko Akufuado can free education by 2 months ago now starting they say we programs are do one kind nyina no nyina adana kwa ye nkwachi we mra mo fa we mra no for CID for kwa CID for mama what they say ya na 4 years na so no we wia yesusu no ko ye catch Ghana for mo antiase. We told you these people but master adai 8 months ni obi ntimi fa ne sanchira ade ba ko se Mahama ayewe de bia ya che obi we ni nya dwuma we ni bre enya ne foto a osu be mpa kan okan na de mu be hu ni Ghana ho no
Charles Amotil man o tumi so wadi nchira che na wa hu amamu na His Excellency John Dramani amamu a obunu ATS die o se ni ti kra ya ne ya te so dwi kra yin si so o se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oba power for 8 good months on fa pickers te se on fa sekan ma di twitwa die on fa bi nsi fo wonye hu e Ghana ho for 8 months and nyoma wa ya ni se o chichi nkofo ukoka asema na wasoma ne abechew no wasoma national security for no ba ofie no ma babu dem nyoma no ma sisa nyoma no wasoma japa no mo nam nkofo fie no mo chichi wuntumi no mo chichi nkofo small boys fancy comedy mu nya na mo chichi omo o say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba power no say adwuma ya no wa ye onya adwuma bia na we president no ba power o catch us na nadu dan Akufuado ba power within 2 months and I started so implementing the policies. What the 24-hour economy, at the year campaign at Joanum, Obaya, 24-hour economy, no, a new budget mukra, or budget cry, the ordinary cotton no cry, Gusitano was one who do because I didn't cry, share any ye. Oh, Bausu Women's Bank. Sika, also what the Kobe Women's Bank, no, Sika Odiama. Fali so fosu kwa ati so mfanya government communication won chichema radio stations media stations no mundi keke no e do so che sika na ode koye women's bank no enti no chese dia wo ye nyina no kura bia anim chese wo ba no be pesika no obusuafo ma ba enrichi mo ho enu nti na ba ye adwuma bia nu a wo ba ba ye ene wasa tukwan eko Japan mu ko di sika with private jet no wasa ba betena kroma say enti Ghana for the slam say 2028 Monto Obama, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, no me Ghana ye, the proud economist, I'll bet him the Ghana, Akobo Shasa so. Now the John Dramani Mahaman and call for any day. Abusia, old Timmy Vayanko baby, she knew I'll bet by within these 4 years.
And even be a true, you know, zebra questions, so won't tell us some of the party. So don't for economy as the party, and you hear party, Massa, Yadoka can cry, Yadoka can cry. Now let's go to Ohemaa Woyeje. What I say? Only say last 2 weeks, early this weekend na day. UTV Agya Kwabena wa trend the pa. Emma all trending now no. You will say UTV akutu asapon. Eso be je trend the boss so. Emma later will say Empress Gifty. Eso be je boss so. Omu nyina UTV goes Empress Gifty there. Or the nanama ensa na seb or be dey ho fel say kutu say ba we nya Faradex dey ni bia. We despite dey ni bia. What I say? Emma media so. Ebi o ke kan bi kire no. Na okay. Fanti comedy echo live streaming MSO no obi be threat mahama o yankani be any other because of that no you go che Fanti comedy now host live streaming no any lady now obeka that asem no e was streaming no e ma later won say o mo eyi no mo yi no ene ne Bawumia Fanti comedy echo sra Bawumia na pictures bi e ba bontene emu ana Ohemaa Woyeje e go tan no show no so Angel TV e ho no we kan say Fanti comedy yi ni de ono no nti ase. And Fanti comedy yet majana no. How whack our judicial system just say your judicial system yare hey virus at I was at the comma tanko computer. I was at the comma tanko computer no was careless of formatting so also because virus at your judicial system virus at see it major Fanti comedy party basa virus at you comma tanko computer what I say and then mo kai Bawumia Fanti comedy say Bawumia your picture Ohemaa Woyeje on tiase say aden na Bawumia any Fanti comedy ko twa to ba kan adwe e won show no na no ana media na won say hey Ohemaa Woyeje na nsi ha na Agya Kwabena ofri hot seat no so say wo to do be so betra so any bra betra say o mu dina tena hot seat no so na busia said o mu say ka bi kire Ohemaa Woyeje no we ya ahase
wo sa oba wi afro ho Ohemaa Woyeje wi ma pe wache se wujimi a metu mani asiusu continuously for 1 year kwasi aba ho fin media isu nyina wo na wo oba ho etan eno obi anim nyese me na meka wo tantan kwasi aba we mu nyina onya ba ma e ma jimifo ba ma bi ono so na ha mu tentene e ma ni yikote de se otwe kwasi a pupu to bra wo se de wo se Dr. Bawumia ko sia Fanti comedy nti de wo fin abo a wo ti krom ha na Kevin Taylor ba ya wo mu ja no free so wonko ye de ne ko share dem pia na ti ko so wonko nya ebone wo kwasia ne ujimi wo fin ho kankan Ohemaa Woyeje wanim tantan se obi na ase kwasia ba wo tantan wo nya fenye wu minim de nti am nya mema na ajimi a na me mema ye omgu obi betu akofo oba fun bi se de na breme na me mahwe no no waware no abua wukuna ha mu tentente se no kwate tentente no watwe no wodidi utwa fun no kwasia ba jimi fo de pupu to bra ba beto me ha kwasia no wanim tantan wo tantan se ka wo ba ba mu se ka wo ba we mi kurom asaman kese anka ye de wo chabosom wo ba na ne ho tan se ya ye de ne kotwa no gubosom so na ma bosom fa e powerful we ye jan no abene nam wiase ne abosom ne nam ho kwasia ba wo tantan wate oba fin tantan wanim tantan
Ohemaa Woyeje obia nipa nyina beka NPP fo asam so aba beka bi wo beka laji mamu de Bawumia asem on a wanim se kwaku aberewa ho se ohia ni fufuo so nam no se sei wa ha mu tintin se wa ya bare se tonton wo se de wotena Ghana no media station wona wanim bare ya se de abo ahomatire amiemu no Onimu abu esi ya kofa hwehwehwe wani se da wo ho time pa nka wo meka obi asem. Oba wo ho time de aya na nka wo hwe wano kasa asa na wakasa nipa wo ho tantan. Wo se ohie ni fufuo so na. Oba wani gase wani mu abu esi wani mu se kwaku aberewa. What one make kan kwase ase na mese sa amuko UTV ho ne say e ma wono na anu ba ko bi se yakeka Agya Kwabena nsem oba na enim tantanta mo enim se kwakuyo ya se ma mo enim tantanta ko gu media ho obi nyima wontimi hwe ayi no asiafo ma waye wo ho se atopa
na week we na Ohemaa Woyeje week ana na minim dawo headquarters for anka ankyere me esiso nipa na jai sama ampa boy
asem nipa na pan ho asem Ohemaa Woyeje na akoka adwam yo Ghana jollof aso ne so den se edienti na tumi be na Ohemaa Woyeje wo a wo de Dr. Alhaji Bawumia ekoto page e ka se eyono e na ta fancy comedy achi eyono no ama fancy comedy tumi so on disrespecting penny for all my Ghana se woni na do asem e ba Bawumia so a dwumo no Ghana jollof no bedi wo no woje ho wa Ghana kola wonye wani mu hu wo ni kurom asamai kase a enkedi yi musuo mumi anko ani enkotie Ghana jollof mla
wo sa oba wi afro ho Ohemaa Woyeje wi ma pegwa chese wujimi a metu mani asiusu continuously for 1 year kwasi aba wo fin media isu nyina wo na wo oba wo etan eno obi ani nyese me na meka wo tantan kwasi aba we mu nyina onya ba ma e ma chimifo ba ma bi ono so na ha mu tentene e ma ni yikote de se otwe kwasi a puputu bra wo se den wo se Dr. Bawumia ko shia fancy comedy ntidien wo fi abo a wo ti kurum ha na Kevin Taylor ba ya wo mu jan free so wonko ye de ne ko share dem pia ne ti ko so wonko nya ebone wo kwasia ne wo chimi wo fi ho kankan Ohemaa Woyeje wanim tantan se obi na ase kwasia ba wo ho tantan wo nya fenye wu minim de nti am nya mema na chimi a na me mema ye omgu obi beto akofo ba fun bi se de na brɛ me na me mahwɛ no no aware no apua ukuna ha mu tentente se no kwate tentente no watwe no wodi du twɛfo no kwasi aba chimi fo de puputu bra ba beto me ha kwasi no wanim tantan wo ho tantan se ka wo ba ba mu se ka wo ba we mi kurom asaman kese anka ye de wo chabosum wo bana ne ho tan se ya ye de ne kotwa no gubosom so na ma abosom fa ye powerful we ye jam no abene nam wiase ne abosom ne nam ho kwasi aba wo tantan wate oba fin tantan wanim tantan
Ghana jollof
wo sa
am se Ghana jollof wo shetokulo be mu a Ohemaa Woyeje ebe ya mesrewa ka Angel FM ho a yesrew ye mpa mane bia because Ghana jollof was so di rough a obeso asi so a whole month no onye wu enti yesrew ye mpeso obeso asi so dulem nenya ye ne ye doctor kasetia yesrew a ye pa uchewo ye mpese Ghana jollof di wani mbetwitwi fom ye pa uchewo a mami Ghana jollof
die mu nyina we ya hyasie afena mba mamo na kase pa ye amamo enti Ohemaa Woyeje ati no beto trending what I say ye dinu go twa weekends no ya hwese next week we say book go afena odi no ho abaje behwe medwene ho ahwe but remember the booking because me hwe mo me head ni next week me head ni any prominent booking be internet me booking u beto a kire wa adwene ama me e wo comment section Penyah Media Accra.